What does your bike price point क्या है?
We've got two ranges. It's called an X Factor range and Desire range. X Factor sits between 25 to 40k. Internationally, it is a primary mode of commute. People use it for their office commute, for their primary commute. Normal bikes eventually became a kapda sukhane ka stand in the country.
What does your bike price point क्या है?
It starts at 25,000, goes up to 70.
Okay.
Different bike sets. We've got two ranges. It is called an X Factor range and Desire range. X Factor sits between 25 to 40k. From 40 to 70k, it's Desire range. Solving for different use cases, of course, better efficiencies. So an X Factor, say a 25,000 bikes, it's a single speed bike, road bike used for normal road drives. Gives you a range of 30 to 35 kilometers on full throttle. You can go for our bikes, you can go unlimited because there's a pedal. So you don't ever get stopped on the road, right? As you go up the ladder, your frame design changes, your efficiencies of the frame changes, your comfort changes, and that is where the cost is going up. The battery chemistry changes, the battery range changes, and that's what we do.
Got it. Sorry, one is 25,000, second one is 75,000.
No, there's a whole
There's a whole
portfolio.
range.
Yeah,
There's
whole
whole range.
range. So it
Okay.
starts at 25. There's 8 SKUs in our whole product portfolio, and it starts at 25, 30, 35, 40, 50, 60, and 70.
Okay. And what is the primarily what is the use case?
Primarily, it is today as we speak. 2 years ago, it was lifestyle,
Okay.
lifestyle and weekend rides. Today, it is commute, primary commute. People are going to office, people are going to colleges, people are going to their gyms or their weekend use cases, buying grocery and stuff. So it is becoming very fast a mainstream commute in the country. While our business stands very vertical, so we have 60% of business in the exports market. As you see, internationally, it is a primary mode of commute. People use it for their office commute, for their primary commute, wherever they need to go, because electric bike is the only personal mobility product in the country, in the world. Why do I say that? Is this is a product which you can drive yourself to the first mile, take it on a public transport, go to the last mile. There's no other product who can do all of it, right? You can take a car, but your car can only take you so much. There's parking challenges, there's so many other challenges, right? This does not take a lot of space on the road. This drives you to the place that you want to. You can actually pick it up, put it in the back of your car if you want to, put it in any kind of public transport. It is allowed in India also now. So all the metros have bike facility. Even the buses have started now giving space for taking bikes inside it. So that's
Bus
how
ke
it's
andar?
solved. Bus ke andar, so we have a SKU called Doodle. You can actually fold that bike and take it anywhere that you want. So it's
Wow.
as simple.
So this India has been a very anti-bike
Correct.
bicycle thing, right? So how you been playing that? Because I understand you have a low-end product and a high-end product.
Correct.
Who's buying the high-end product in
Uh,
India?
The consumer started from very lifestyle, right? India, you see a lot of people are starting traveling international. They see everyone there riding around on bikes. I'm sure you guys have seen the same, right? People get inspired by that, come back, and like, yeah, 2 days a week, I'll go to my office on the bike, right? It sounds so cool. It feels so cool. Lightweight on the road. I reach so much more faster. We have ran this study where people who travel under 5 to 7 kilometers reach their offices earlier on e-bikes as compared to their cars and two-wheelers. Because
And why would they buy an e-bike versus, let's say, a bike or a scooter or
uh,
electric scooter?
one, health. You can pedal out. So
Okay.
while coming back, you can pedal out. You're healthier. You don't need to go on your cardio sessions after the office or stuff.
Nice.
Second, it is much more lighter. You don't need a license to drive it. There's so many more things, right? It is much more economical. Starts at 25,000, $30. Your IC starts at what, ₹1,00,000 and above. So a lot of differences there.
Also, signals you can cross like pedestrian.
We don't recommend that, but yeah.
That's your
Technically-
selling point.
A police does not catch you on an electric bike if you're crossing signals. So yeah, as
Wow.
of now they don't.
No, because you've seen the cyclists, they get down and walk the signal, right? Because they're
Yeah.
pedestrians technically.
Yeah,
So the
correct,
police
correct.
can't catch them. So
Correct,
that same
correct,
thing
correct.
applies for you. That's great.
Absolutely, absolutely,
And license is not needed.
absolutely.
Amazing. So it's like it's something between a scooty and a bicycle. It's like the filling the gap.
You can say that it is actually completely evading the use case of a normal bike, a cycle. So we strongly believe in next 3 to 5 years we'll completely eradicate a normal bike, normal cycle in India, which is above 6 to 7,000 bucks. So any bicycle which is sold above that price point will be eradicated and replaced by an e-bike. Primary reason being, right, to answer your first question, why are normal bikes are always looked down in the country? How are we catering to that problem, right? Normal bikes eventually became a kapda sukhane ka stand in the country. You buy it with a lot of motivation that I'll go on weekend rides. Do teen bar jate ho, you get tired and you don't have any other use case apart from your fitness. That was the primary motivation of people buying a normal bike, right? With electric bike, it is not only your fitness. It solves for your commute, right? If you have to go 2 kilometers, you're lazy to pull out your car out of the parking, take it there. You just pull out an e-bike, quickly go there, come back. It's a multi-utility. Everyone in the family can use it. You don't need your ride from 11-year-old to a 60-year-old. Everyone is using it. So that's how it is solving for that. Plus, we have placed the brand, we have placed the education in a very premium category. We're taking a top-down approach. The brand always used to sell a 50,000 rupees product, told that it is an aspirational product. You should use it for the betterment of your pocket, your country, your lifestyle. And that is how people are started looking up to e-bikes. I believe what happened in the Western world is happening here right now, where people have started looking up to people who's driving bikes to the offices, to the
Right.
gyms, wherever.
Right.
So I think that's a very good change that's happening in the country.
Friends, if you like this clip, then please go watch the entire episode and also subscribe to the channel for more such clips and episodes. Enjoy your life. Thank you very much.